In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your limit in Sendwave with our easy upgrade guide. So if you're ready to enhance your Sendwave experience, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to ensure that your Sendwave account is fully verified. This is a crucial step because verification not only helps in enhancing your account security, but also makes you eligible for higher sending limits. Typically, this involves confirming your identity with a valid form of ID and linking a payment method, such as a bank account or a debit card. Making sure that these details are correctly entered into your account not only helps in verification, but can also streamline your transactions in the future. Next, you'll want to check your current limits within the Sendwave app. To do this, open the app and look for your profile icon, usually found in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it and select My Limits to view your current sending limits. Here, you can see the maximum amount you're allowed to send, and it's helpful to get familiar with these numbers so you can plan your transactions accordingly. Understanding the factors that influence these limits is also important. Your sending limits are generally determined by several factors, including your geographical location, the country to which you are sending money, and your account history. This is why confirming your identity and having a verified account is key, as it directly impacts your credibility and helps increase your sending capacity. Knowing these factors can also help manage your expectations and provide insight into how your limits might be improved over time. If after verifying your account you believe your limits should be higher, it may be time to reach out directly to Sendwave's customer support. You can do this through the app or from their official website. Engaging with customer support can be quite beneficial as they have access to detailed information about your account activity and history. This allows them to offer you personalized guidance and assistance. Whether it's an adjustment of your limits or some advice on how you can optimize your account usage, their team is there to help. Remember, being polite and clear about your needs when contacting support often leads to more effective assistance. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to increasing your Sendwave limits and optimizing the way you manage your transfers. This not only allows for greater flexibility and convenience, but also ensures you're maximizing the benefits of your Sendwave account. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.